Hi Roger, thanks for agreeing to do this. Your talk at the conference this year is called More for Less. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about that and who your talk's aimed at?
Yes, well, it's aimed at all teachers actually, because really all and any who are concerned with the listening skill. And I've decided to focus on the listening skill in particular, because it seems to me that a fairly typical procedure is one that I've put in my talk description, which is, to kind of set the thing up with a bit of chat using a picture or something like that, perhaps. Maybe teach one or two items of key vocabulary, set a task, listen, students chat in pairs, which is another word for cheating, of course, and then feedback and, maybe repeat that procedure with another task. And then teachers go on to do something else, maybe chat about the topic of the listening or whatever it was about. But my feeling is, this is a tragic under-exploitation of material. And I wonder to what extent it helps with the listening skill in terms of improving it. A lot of people talk about developing a skill, by getting students to speak. It's developing the speaking skill. Getting to read, it's developing reading skills, but I wonder how, and I don't know if you can explain that. So what I'm going to focus on is getting a lot more out of a lot less material, if you like, by, exemplified through the listening skill in this case, due to time restrictions, but essentially, I suppose we might call it teaching the listening skill, rather than just as simple comprehension tests, which is the norm. But the things that we'll be looking at apply in a very similar way to the reading skill as well. So it's kind of like it's applicable to both those two skills, and by a much greater extrapolation, I think, also to speaking and writing. Although I won't be really addressing those in my talk at the conference, as it's there won't be enough time.
Okay, that sounds good. We look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you.